Matthew and I would like to share with you our final project for EE445M, Embedded Real-Time Systems. For the entirety of this class, we have been developing a real-time operating system built on the Texas Instruments TM4C123 microcontroller. We already developed the operating system kernel with synchronization and multi-threading support, and features for process and memory management, a file system, and remote procedure calls over TCP/IP. For our final project, we build on this previous functionality and create a file server that allows for the uploading and downloading of files from a website directly to the microcontroller's file system. Here's a quick demo of the file server. First, the microcontroller powers on, launches the OS, and uses an ESP01 module to connect to Wi-Fi. The ESP module already has a complete TCP/IP stack for this. We take advantage of this and our professor's drivers to make it act like a server. We use a basic web UI to send HTTP commands to the server via UART, allowing for existing files to be displayed, and for the uploading and downloading of files. As an example, I'll create this text file and upload it onto the file server. To prove this demo, I'll use the OS terminal to show that there is no existing file with the same name already in the file system. We see the website is updated to reflect the new file, and we can use the terminal again to confirm that this file is now present in our file system. We can print the contents of the file to reveal exactly what was uploaded. The beauty of this file server is that we can pair it with our process management feature to run uploaded executable files. You can see me uploading an executable from my desktop, and I can run it in the terminal. It looks like the simple user program flashed the onboard LEDs and then was killed. This new feature no longer requires connecting the microcontroller to a computer to flash programs onto it. You can easily upload the program onto the file server and then run it as a process in our OS. That's all we have to show you. Thanks for watching.